Hi, I'm Sarika. I'm here to present you internet security camera from Cadyce, that is CA IP100M. IP cameras are going to play a big role in securing our lives, and that is why Cadyce offers you the best solution for securing your home and office. Let's see what are the package contents. It contains CA IP100M, power adapter, quick installation guide, software CD-ROM, and camera mounting bracket. You can monitor your home or office using CA IP100M, which gives you 1 megapixel resolution with two-way audio. You can store your recordings to NAS storage devices and FTP servers. As it supports 3GP mobile surveillance, it can be viewed on the smartphones also. Now let's see how to install and configure this camera.
After connecting the IP camera CA IP100M into the local area network, we will search for that camera by using IP100M utility. Click on search. All the cameras which are connected in the network can be detected here. By using IP100M, we can change the default password and we can change the default IP address of the Cadyce IP camera. Double click on this IP address and we will be able to view the IP camera into the web browser. Using web browser, we can set different video profiles depending on the requirement. We can set different parameters of the IP camera. Default username is admin and the default password is also admin. Here we can set various parameters for the IP camera. We can schedule recording. We can schedule object detection, that is motion detection. Now we will see how to add this IP camera into the software called SecuGuard. SecuGuard supports 64 IP cameras simultaneously. Click on System Setup. Search. Select CA IP100M and click on OK. We will get this message. Enter the correct password, admin, and click on Edit. Click on OK. Thus we have added the IP camera into the SecuGuard software. By using software, we can record the IP cameras. For that, we have to give the recording path over here and then click on OK. We can view these recordings by using playback option. In this, we have to search for the recorded files and play those recorded files. Thus, we have configured the IP camera into the software as well. So the installation and configuration of the Cadyce IP camera involves searching the IP camera by using IP100M, then viewing the IP camera using default web browser, and configuring the IP camera into the SecuGuard software. This completes the installation of Cadyce IP camera CA IP100M.
That was all about installation of a Cadyce IP camera CA IP100M. Thanks for being with us.